A backdoor is a malware type that negates normal authentication procedures to access a system. As a result, remote access is granted to various resources within an operating system, within an application, within a database, within a file server, etc., thus giving perpetrator the ability to remotely issue commands and even update the malware itself. Backdoor installation is achieved by taking advantage of vulnerable components available on the remote system. The detection of these backdoors is most of the times difficult. Web server backdoors are used for a number of malicious activities such as data theft, server hijacking, website defacing, even launching of distributed denial of service attack, also infecting the website's visitor, and as well for advanced persistent threat assaults. The most prevalent backdoor installation method is RFI or remote file inclusion, such as an attacker can exploit a vulnerability within an application that dynamically references external scripts. In an RFI scenario, the referencing function is tricked into downloading a backdoor Trojan from a remote host. Some of the websites as well, they offer the function of uploading files such as your personal CV, any kind of file, and they don't take into consideration blocking PHP or malicious files. So you can easily use that feature to upload your backdoor there on the website. So typically, perpetrators identify these targets using scanners that can locate websites having unpatched or outdated components that can enable such remote file inclusion. Referring to our list here, we have different backdoor tools such as PowerSploit, which is a tool for Windows machine mainly, and it can be installed on the victim's machine, and where this tool will help the attacker to connect to the victim's machine through PowerShell. SBD and CryptCat are tools that are similar to the famous Netcat. They are portable and can be easily installed on the victim's machine, whether it's Linux based or Microsoft machine. They help connect to victim's machine remotely anytime by using a specific port in order to send remote commands. The main difference between SBD and CryptCat is that CryptCat can allow you to have TCP and UDP encrypted connections. Web shells can be used to maintain access or even hack a website. Most of them are detected by antivirus, and the famous ones are C99 and C100 shells. Weavely is a PHP web shell that enables remote connection. It's a very powerful tool that can be used as a stealth backdoor, and it can be used as well to legitimately manage websites. HTTP tunnel is a tool that creates bidirectional data stream tunneled into HTTP requests, and the requests can be sent to an HTTP proxy if desired. DNS to TCP is a tunneling tool that helps pass TCP traffic through DNS traffic, meaning on port 53. This is another important tool because most of the times this port 53 is used to legitimately identify services in the network, and thus it's most of the time open. If you know the antivirus application that is running on the potential target system, you might want to test your backdoor or Trojan horse on virustotal.com. This website will give you the detectability of common antivirus application vendors against a file that you upload. This will help you execute a successful attack.